Newly listed, this Pinecrest home over-delivers and under-budget with timeless curb appeal, including a circular driveway and new roof in 2012. The floor plan is all one level with living and dining rooms that flow one into another, neutral tile floors, volume ceilings that afford a generous sense of space, a storage room with laundry, and smart technology so the home is super efficient. Most of the windows are impact glass with custom mission-style casings that offer the wow factor. The other 2 windows and 3 doors have shutters. Imagine the quality time you'll share in this spacious family room, complete with a custom TV console. Newly remodeled, the kitchen has an Olympia quartz countertop and waterfall edge breakfast bar, arabesque geometric backsplash, and newer GE stainless steel appliances. The first bedroom features French doors and a shiplap accent wall. It's currently used as a music room. There are a total of 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The guest bath has pedestal sinks and a combination shower tub. The front corner bedroom looks like a Pottery Barn catalog. The master bedroom overlooks the huge backyard and features a walk-in closet. The adjoining master bathroom has a shower, linen closet, and cabana door. Step outside and savor the screened pool and terrace, a 17,973 square foot fenced lot with newly planted hedges, a cozy fire pit, and the highly desired Pinecrest School District with Howard Drive Elementary, Palmetto Middle, and Palmetto Senior High. Enjoy the good life in the best priced home in Pinecrest. For additional information, please contact Brigid Prio.